Slide one back up. 4, 6, 7, and +3 quad DPS on that right side to right gate. Everybody else to left gate. Nobody should be at B gate right here. Nobody should be at B gate. Cognizant. 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 All right, everybody go to left gate. If you're listening and paying attention, go to left gate. Go left gate. Go to left gate. There we go. Pay attention. Cognizant. I don't know. All right, 4, 6, 7, your right gate. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, your left gate. All right. Make sure you grab your clans. Check your stats. Aside from that,
Group 4 is missing a quad DPS. Just throwing that out there.
Group 4 is missing a quad DPS. Did they drop, or what's the issue? Were they here and then they didn't? Anybody know?
I'm not sure. I haven't seen him. I just looked.
All right. We got Scorp Diff in there now. All right, cool. If Scorp doesn't look like they're online. Oh, yes they are. Okay, cool. All right. Make sure everybody has a TeamSpeak. We're gonna move over to TeamSpeak now. And unless you have your stream up, you can leave Discord. I'm gonna swap mine over now.
Hey, Sam.
Yes.
Oh, never mind. Your changes are good.
Oh, what's up? What's your question?
No, I wanted to see gate assignments one more time, but I should be fine. Don't worry.
35, 10 left gate, 4, 6, 9 right gate.
I think.
7, 8 back gates. We'll call it out when we get to fort phase, right? Let's focus on getting to fort phase, and we'll go from there. You guys can leave Discord. We'll talk in TeamSpeak. All right, hey, this is your comms check for everybody. This is Zombie calling, talking. I'm at Group 1 with Group 1 and 2. If you guys can see me, now's your time to adjust my volume if you need to. In Discord, just right-click my name, just hit adjust volume, turn me up, turn me down if you need to. Key thing here, everybody should hear me. If you guys can hear me, every group that can hear me, just type your group number in raid chat. If you can hear me, type your group number in raid chat.
Yo, Zom, can you hear me in TeamSpeak?
All right, now I've heard, everybody can hear me, so now if you have Whisper set up to me, I heard a couple of people already, but if you talk to me, just make sure you lead with your group number, right? Just say, hey, Group 6 needs this, Group 7's winning Oppa, or Bonfire, right? Group 8's getting wiped, whatever it is, right? Make sure you lead with that group number so I know who's talking to me. I got you, Group 3. Who do I have in Group?
We should be good.
Who do I have in 4? All right, who do I have in 5?
I don't like when I alt tab out of the game. Whenever I alt tab, my mouse becomes so fucked.
All right, who's in 7? Oh, I'm tracking 7. Okay, who's in 8?
You do whisper.
Okay. I can
New whisper,
right,
new whisper list, I think, and then zombie.
All right, nothing for 9. What about 10? We got anything from 10?
Yeah, I don't know how to do it. I'm just going to believe with the next word.
All right, got 10, and then BB.
Alright, get ready. 30 seconds.
Who's down there in quad DPS? Jer? I got you 9, yeah. J-Roo, Andy, and B. I got you guys in 10 extras or what? All right, hey, real quick, hey, listen up for Pinky, so you guys can adjust the respawn caller.
Hello, this is Pinky. Hope you can hear me.
10 seconds. Well, 15 seconds.
I'm her chip. Mute in Discord.
Alright, let's farm the group 10 so we can gloat that it wasn't our fault that we lost.
If we lose. In Discord. Yeah. So you're not speaking.
All right, boys, let's go. Let's get it.
Get out. Get out, get aggressive. Get out, get aggressive. Get out, get aggressive. All right, straight to the point. Straight to C. Straight to C. Don't kite wide. Just
some of them are trying to meet. Some of them are going to try to meet us at A. They're rotating over a little.
20 seconds.
Yeah, I think they see how many people are coming here.
All right, get the C, get the C, get the C. Hey, you're gonna hit it. You're gonna meet them right there. They're a little bit wide. Just walk around them. Walk around them. Go to point. Walk around them. Go to point as best as you can. Play smart.
All right, it looks like they're gonna give this. We might need to start rotating to B.
1.
Yeah.
Bomb now.
Yeah, this is gonna be a give. Let's start rotating B.
All right, start walking to point. Start walking. A, are they giving A? Are they giving A?
They're giving A. They're giving A.
All right, A. So 7 stay there. Everyone else go B. 7 stay there. 4, 6 go to B.
10 seconds.
Watch them meeting us out here.
5.
All right, hey, when you step on a C, step forward, stop. Step forward, stop at C. Step forward, stop at C.
20 seconds.
I'm going on the point. On the point. We're already on. We're already on.
I'm already here.
Yeah, I'm on the healer on top, bearing.
Make sure you're shooting for the actual
AB.
clumps.
Taking on shambles.
Top right. Remember, we're playing life.
Throw an orbit.
We're waiting for our people at C. Everybody rotate back
Yeah, grab the
and
top
forth.
point. Grab the top point.
Once we get A, we'll send people to B.
Oh, nerd on point. He's half health.
Clapping.
Get his
Oh,
ass.
done. Clapping.
Alright, let's put the crash call at C. Let's put the crash call at C. We're gonna go mid left and 5, mid left and 4, mid left and 3, everything. Ball left, ball left, ball left, ball left, ball left.
10 seconds.
Ball left C, ball left C, ball left C, ball left
Close
C,
it
ball
down.
left C, ball left
I'm
C,
on
ball left
board.
C.
Right side. Oh, I got leads right there. Holy shit.
Alright,
Yep,
circle side.
same.
Everybody circle left. Everybody circle left. If you're healer at C, step
Yeah.
right side. If
There's a
you're
lot of
healer at C,
bodies.
step right
20
side. Everybody
I'm
on
looking at,
Zerg left side C.
Baker,
Zerg left side C.
Shrooms.
Zerg left side C.
I think your bruisers and healer are dead.
Okay.
Yeah, we're coming
10
back now.
seconds.
Alright, hey, if you die and you respawn, go B. If you die and you respawn, go B.
5, 4,
I'm about halfway on a ditto right now.
2,
Yeah, same.
Respawn now. 20
All right.
seconds.
I'm going back. Oh, that was a bad lag. Holy
Hey,
shit.
let's go B.
Alright, you guys
At B,
You
step one
ready?
B. Let's go.
Yeah.
All right, hi.
Yo, get out of our road on B. Come push to the point. Come left side point.
10
Left side point.
seconds.
Yeah, I'm gonna wrap top left. I'm gonna wrap top left. Oh, grab it top right.
Take
Grab
us
it
on
top
Tide
right.
Pod.
They're all AB. They're all another grab.
We lost target. Nerd. He's dead. He's
Hey,
dead.
if you're at C,
Beastie.
play it with
Nice.
If you're at B, play for left side.
Beat us, shambles.
Left side of B. Play for left side of B.
Beat us.
Let's turn back to B. We're gonna go mid left and
10
5, mid left and 4,
Beat
top
Tide Pod.
mid 2, top mid B right now. Top mid, top right. Top mid, top right.
Sacred's on shambles. Top right.
Look at left side B. Look at left side B. Look at left side B.
20 seconds.
Left side B. Everybody.
See, they got a lot
Left side B.
of
Left side B.
Be careful. They're
You
gonna
Tide pocket.
run from the left side.
Stepping out. I'm trapped.
Yeah, get out of that. Get out of that.
Nah, I was stunned.
I'm grabbing
I
one
played too
point on
close.
B.
My bad. My bad.
2, 1.
There's
Hey,
a
everybody
ton of
left
them.
side.
Give me
Left side.
talk right
Lurking
now,
left
good.
side in 3.
Wasn't paying
Lurking left
attention to
side
the
B
crash.
I'm
2.
trying to
Zerg left side
just
B
sit
now.
on
Zerg
point,
left side B.
but
Left side B. Left side B. Left side B.
we're
Left
way
side
out
B.
on
Left side
the
B.
Yeah, we're
Seconds.
way out
Seconds.
here.
Care.
Alright, spread. Hey, 8, 9, 10, stay at C. 8,
pushing
9,
on top
10,
of
stay
B.
at C.
3,
8, 9, 10, stay at C.
Oh, care.
One.
Crashing there.
Hey, if
Yep,
you're
yep,
at B,
yep, yep.
step
Left
towards
side.
top, step
They're
towards left.
crashing left.
Towards top, step towards left.
I'm rotating right side.
I'm on
I
Dutch.
don't
Oh, man.
Hey, if you're at
Right
B,
here.
step the point. You're at B. It should be everybody except
10
8, 9, 10 at B.
I'm getting hit
Everybody
back.
except 8, 9, 10 at B.
I need to heal.
Clapping.
Hey, get to the top of point. Get out of bottom.
3,
Tank shouldn't be at bottom of the point at any
I'm on
time.
high.
You ready?
Not at the bottom of the point at any time. Bottom name and fucking your green team and dog the fuck down.
You ready?
Hey, we're sitting crash right mid in 5, bot right in 4, bot right 3, bot right 2, bot right
Take her on Tide pocket. Clapping.
Spread out,
Get out.
spread out, take the point, spread out. Look at mid left. Zerg mid left
Beat
in
us,
3,
top point
Zerg
there.
bot left in 2, Zerg bot left abilities now, bot left abilities now. Bot left set, bot left
Premium,
bot left
premium,
bot
AB,
left
AB,
bot
we
left
got it.
bot left
Nice,
Zerg,
nice.
Take your top mid.
Zerg and get a kill. Right side is free for healers. Right side is free for healers. Right side is free for healers.
Dusty, top left.
Hold top. Pull them off.
5, 4,
Skylar,
two, 1. Respawn
Hey, look
now.
left mid,
20
left mid,
seconds.
left mid, top left, left mid, top left, left mid, top left. Get a kill. Healer step right side, healer
Take
step
her
right
top
side.
right.
Get- Push top. Crash left
Tapping.
side 3, left side 2. On the flag now, on the flag left side, 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 on the flag left side. Everybody
Take her top mid.
everybody to top left. All
Tapping.
their legs are top left,
Respawn now.
top left, top left. Everybody
top
hit
left,
left side,
gang,
everybody
gang,
hit left side. Left,
Take your top right.
Step top left.
E shambles.
Yeah, I'm just trying to play life and stay on point. I'm not
Clapping. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't. My D wasn't up.
1.
Chucking left side.
Left side 3, left side 2.
Take your top left. E shambles.
Spinning, mid left, come mid left.
E shambles.
Oh, I need something. I did my on me.
Wasn't fast enough. I'm sorry.
No, I had fucking
Push it out, push it out.
10-second respawn.
10 seconds.
Take your top right.
You guys gotta step on that. You guys gotta listen for the call. All you guys that died right on the right side on that, you guys are fucking
Clapping.
2, 1. Respawn now.
I respawning.
Alright, hey, 6, 4, 7, stay. Everyone else go C. 6, 4, 7, stay. Everyone else go C.
Play careful.
20 seconds.
I'm gonna move. I'm just gonna chill on.
Yeah, I'm gonna rebuy cleanse while this is going on.
Alright, let's look for
Coming back. I'm about
Got a
half on
spear in the pocket.
647, stay B. Everyone else go C.
5,
Tide Pop,
Everyone else go C. Look at right side.
That's too far. I was getting chased by a spear.
Look at right side. That's fine. It's fine if they follow. Look top right. Look top right. Look top right.
They're starting to
Look top right.
they're
Do
starting to
not follow. Do not fall back into oppo.
still falling in the oppo right side,
647,
though.
stay B. Everyone else come C. 647,
Looking
stay
at
B.
this,
Everyone else come
one
C.
right here on the right side.
Look at top right. Look at top right. Look at top
Yeah,
right.
coming over
there.
Walk
Ready?
in.
They're ready. Yeah, yeah.
Keep on top
10
right.
seconds.
I'm grabbing that.
Take her under ready.
I'm good.
E on you again.
Top right. Don't let them just walk to C with 3.
3,
B,
Alright,
Easy, ready?
Looking at nerd.
647.
We're gonna look bottom right 3, bottom right 2, bottom right 1, bottom right 1, bottom right 1.
Take her under ready.
20 seconds.
Nice, yeah, yeah, nerd.
Now. Time in C now. Time in C now. Time in C now. Time in C now. Time in C
Got that on point.
10 seconds.
E Tide pocket.
Zerg left C. Zerg bot left C. Zerg bot left C. Zerg bot left C. Step up right.
Sacred spot. Flat mid.
3,
Half
1, respawn
These
now.
guys can all knock off.
That's a healer. Nerd. Bottom right, bottom left.
I'm looking.
Dog his bitch
20
ass.
seconds.
He should die here.
Take the flat right.
I got him in ice.
Alright, hey, everybody in C play line. Everybody in C play line. Everybody in C spread out play line.
Keep dogging Gord. Keep dogging
Tide
Gord.
pocket.
10 seconds.
Shocking. They both die. Nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
That bar to B.
There's no one up one. I'm weak.
That's fine. Hey, at C, just play line. Just play line.
3, 2,
Hey, they're coming back to B. They're coming back to B. Everybody followed into B. Everybody followed into B. Everybody followed into B. Hold on, don't crash B yet. Don't crash B.
No,
They're giving. Reset the B. Reset the B.
Okay,
Everybody
cleanse.
reset the B.
Nice,
I don't
guys,
care
good
where
job.
you're at in the army. Everybody reset the B by cleanse. Everybody reset the B by cleanse.
10 seconds.
Good job.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Oh, I need to
1.
scratch them.
Respawn now. 20 seconds.
Listen. Hey, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10.
Look at that
3, and
Butters.
5.
I'm not gonna go.
Hard in Oppo. 8, 9, 10.
Alright,
3,
yeah.
5.
I'm like right behind Dusty,
10
kind of
seconds.
towards top bond.
Hey, anybody who's overextended here in fucking fire, let's go.
We're going bottom.
Don't push in
Entrance
yet.
or-
Don't
We're
push
not.
in yet.
We're gonna go off bomb when we push in.
I
Hey,
see
turn
you.
around and just block with that.
Looking at
Don't
door.
push in yet. 3, 5, and then 8, 9, 10. Push hard
20
oppo now.
seconds.
3, 5, 8, 9, 10. Push hard oppo now.
I got him in a
Everyone
shower.
else, 1,
I got
2,
him in a shower.
4, 6, you're pushing
I'm
their
shocking
road.
nerd.
1, 2, 4, 6, you're pushing their road now. 1, 2,
Push that
4,
road.
6,
Push
you
that road. Push that road.
10 seconds.
Okay.
1, 2, 4, 6. Push
You
their
got
road
a
now.
tight pocket?
Push. Cleanse and push
5,
into them. Stop
4,
W. Stop S keying.
3,
Push into them.
Yeah, pushing in, push in, push in. I got
Respawn
kill like
now.
hard bot. Oh, these guys got grab on me.
Hey, point team, go help Oppo. Point team, go help
E
Oppo.
pod.
Point team, go help Oppo. Point team, sandwich
20
Oppo. Point team,
seconds.
sandwich
I'm
Oppo.
on top right. With all these guys here.
I'm a shock bot. I'll point.
Dedoing.
E to ready.
10 seconds.
Takers on
Hey,
flag.
healers, spread out fucking sacred. They're all sacreds. They're all clumped left side.
5,
Tide
Spread the
pocket.
sacreds
4,
out.
3,
All right, now bring it to point. Bring it to point.
I got points.
Spread out. You
Top.
gotta live.
Respawn now.
You guys gotta live. Healers, get this fucking
on
sacred
top right
spread
now.
out. You
I'll
guys
beat us.
gotta live.
Yep.
Bring it back to point. Bring it back to point.
Shambles.
Playing life, yeah.
Bring it towards point. There we go. Hey, quad
Way too much right there. Just kind of dancing in the
A
sacred.
couple people on me.
Casting and bond.
Moving towards on their road.
They might
Stopping.
crash that.
E Tide pocket.
Nerd still. He's half health.
5, 4, 3,
Take her mid right. E Tide pocket. Sorry.
Top right 3. Top right 2. Then mid right now. Mid right now. Mid right top right. 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 Mid right top right.
20
Take her top right.
Spread now. Spread. Spread out. Spread out. Come on.
Crafting
Everybody
top right,
top
all
left now. Everybody start. Hit top left. Left side. Everybody get top right.
5, 4,
Come on, if you guys don't get a fucking kill here, we're gonna lose this entire fucking war.
respawn now.
E's ready.
I'm in top left right now.
I'm dead. You have no healer.
Crashes. It's evident.
3,
Nobody watched VODs. I can tell.
1, respawn now.
Hey,
They're spinning point. Care.
We don't have a healer right now, so we gotta be careful.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm just
I'll
kind of
dream
dancing
this
around
out.
top left right now.
Look at nerd, I guess. Right here on top, off of point until the healer gets back.
20 seconds.
I'm with you.
Respawn, get towards the point. Let's go. Play
top
outside
right.
edges. Play the edges of the
Sacred
point.
top
You're
right.
not stuck in the middle. Play edges of the point. Kill squad. Kill squad.
You shambles.
Focus these people that are just going into fucking offload or going into our road for free.
Gordon, right side. AB, Gordon.
Take your top right.
He's out.
That's okay. That's okay. He's off. Hey, listen, take the fucking point. Spread left. Everybody spread left. Everybody spread left. Everybody spread
30
left. Left.
Alright, I'm in top
Wait for them to
one
crash.
right now.
Wait for them to crash. Everybody look
I'm at
left.
the midline.
Take your top right.
Score's weak.
Ball left, ball left in 5. Ball
Clapping.
left 4. Ball left 3. Ball left 2. Ball left now. 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 Ball left. Ball left. Ball left. Ball left.
Eat already.
They're all caught. Spread the top. Spread the top.
Clapping.
Spread. Let's spread.
Take your top right.
Out of there.
Well, I couldn't get. I got hung on the flag. Yeah,
1.
yeah,
Respawn
that was
now.
my bad. I got caught on flag right there when I was spreading out.
Eat already.
Dude, I'm just bouncing all over the place.
Like cleanse.
Yeah, we're gonna reset.
Hey, reset the B. Reset the B. Reset the B.
Yep, grabbing cleanse now.
Full reset. Reset means don't die anymore.
Looking at Baker.
20 seconds.
If you have to die, but reset until this next respawn wave. Reset. Tank, you're gonna die. Tank.
10 seconds.
Hey, we're holding at bonfire. We're not
Yeah, I'm
pushing
holding
in.
lower
We're
bond.
waiting for this next respawn wave. Waiting
5,
for this next respawn
Sacred
wave.
and
Hold here at
12.
bond.
3,
Hold here at bond.
2,
Skylar might be able to
Don't
die.
fucking
Respawn
die
now.
right now. Nobody can die.
30
Listen,
seconds.
I want 1-2. Listen, I want 1-2 pushing Oppo. 3, 4, 5, 6 pushing their road. 3, 4, 5, 6 push their road on the
They're
point.
running around.
1,
They
2,
want
8, 9, 10 push
their
Oppo.
road.
Go.
Yep.
Go.
Yeah.
Point team push Oppo. Point team push
Yeah.
Oppo. Alright, here we go. Everybody should be alive right now.
10 seconds.
Dead.
Wall.
Start zerging it up. Zerg up top. Zerg, play with blue.
Alright, yeah.
See if blue plays with blue.
Alright,
Play with the blue right now. We're not gonna send a crash on their road.
2,
Zerg.
respawn now.
No, they're just getting zerged down. We're getting killed. We're zerging them. They're getting zerged. Now bring it to
30
point. Bring it to
seconds.
point. Bring it to point.
Who
Bring it
this
to
fucking
point.
got top point?
Spread.
They're crashing.
Got a sacred on flag.
Yeah.
Clapping.
I can't.
Eat tie pocket.
My bad.
Top right.
I need another one if you got it. Perfect.
Top left. Everybody zerg up top left. Everybody zerg up top left. Everybody zerg up top left. Everybody zerg top left. Zerg top left. Zerg
Sacred top left.
Everybody zerg top left.
Eat tie pocket.
Everything top left. Stay top left. Healer step right where you can. Healer step right. Everybody play left. Healer step right.
1,
Healers, you gotta help them step.
Point
Healers are
shot.
not stepping the point nearly enough for us to get any tick going.
30 seconds.
Eat tie pocket.
Thank you.
Got a spear on me.
Hey,
Sacred.
push, play top side, full left. Look at left. Call out
Tide pocket.
Call out names of who you're hitting.
I'm trying to get out of that
Eat
shit.
tie pocket. Eat tie pocket.
Holy.
Eat tie pocket.
Dude.
Please show me this screen there.
I'm getting jumped. I gotta back out.
Over here.
I see you. I'm gonna throw a scream on you.
4, 3,
There's screams.
2, 1,
you should be good now.
respawn now.
I used to heal on myself.
Yeah.
30
Take
seconds.
your top right. Or right. I got a bunch of people on me.
Yeah.
I gotta run. I'm like in bad spot. Really bad spot.
Cap something my fucking way.
20 seconds.
Holy shit.
I'm moving off the bond.
Yeah, we have like nobody here right now.
Yeah, there's no one on the.
gonna
There's
chill.
like 2
Look at
people on the
survey right
point.
I moved like into the middle of the road.
All right, hey,
We were all standing there.
Everybody come all the way back to B.
5,
Fuck the C point.
4,
Go all the way back to B.
3,
Everybody
2,
stand on fucking B.
1.
Because clearly people are
Respawn now.
fucking dying right now. If you're gonna die, just die. Everybody come back to fucking B.
Okay, I
Come all the
realized
way
my
back to B.
fucking cleanses are not
All the way
on.
back
I
to
switched
B.
my
All
thing
the
because
way.
I had a
Stay on the
fucking
fucking flag
spear
B.
on the whole time instead.
What the
And when I
Stay on the
changed
flag B.
classes, my
Clearly
spear
you
was
guys don't know how to
still.
full
I mean,
reset without dying.
it took my
Call
cleanses
reset,
off.
and then 3 or 4 of you still fucking die out there. Everybody come back to B. We're waiting for the respawn wave. 9,
10
10.
seconds.
What's going on over there? You guys hard losing, hard winning? What's going on?
5, 4,
Don't push up yet.
3,
Nobody push up yet.
2, 1. Respawn now.
In my last group, in my last tour, like the Bruiser didn't say anything. It was crazy. This is much better.
All right, respawn's in. Now everybody start pushing.
Yeah,
Everybody start
dude,
pushing.
Like,
I'm
getting hung up on flags, and I'm just trying to fucking do something.
Are we going close to ramparts? Is that how we're pushing up?
Ping.
Let's go, push.
Yeah, I
Push.
think we're gonna do the road
Yeah.
again, maybe.
Yeah.
I'm skipping all over the damn place.
Hey, if you see them overextended, beat their ass. All these light players overextended, beat their ass. Get a fucking pick.
10 seconds.
Push the point. Push the point. Push top on the point. Top on the point. Push their road first.
5,
Their road first.
4,
Zerg into their road. Zerg into their road. Zerg into their road.
respawn now.
There's a keg of
If I can
bonfire. Keg of
fucking
bonfire.
get over here. Holy
I'm like,
shit.
I'm
Zerg
Zerg their road.
Yeah,
Zerg their
I'm in the
road.
road as
Everybody zerg their road. Listen, don't make me have to send a crash. Guys, you
Don't
have
you
to stick the
scream.
point. If we crash first, we lose.
30 seconds.
I promise. Everybody start spreading your heels around the
I gotta
point.
move into the pocket here. Sorry. Top left is sacred.
On the left side. Spread out around the point.
Clapping.
Spread out. Spread out. Spread out. Spread out. Call out a name, get a kill. Call out a name, get a kill. Not sending any crash.
Beastly is
Fucking go. Free crash.
Each side pocket.
10 seconds.
Spread out around the point. Call out a name, get a kill.
Take
Call
the
out a
top
name,
right.
Get a kill.
5, 4,
Baseball, get on the
3,
point.
2, 1.
Kill squad, get active in their oppo. Kill squad. Oh
I'm
my
gonna sit on right side right now. Duck hammer.
40
Yeah,
seconds.
he beat
Clapping.
us. I'm just dogging him right now. Beat us.
Sacred
Still
top
on
mid.
duck hammer as well.
30 seconds.
This is half.
Each shambles.
Yeah. Playing like so. Going back.
Each side pocket.
Yeah, why? What's the issue? Tell me.
I got like 10 people.
Hey, beat us.
Sacred top right.
I need to get
Each
out
side
of there.
pocket. Oh my god, I got staggered. Each side
10
pocket.
seconds.
We don't
Each
have
side
anybody
pocket.
here. We're like no
Yeah,
point at all.
there's nobody here,
5,
bro.
4, 3, 2,
Clapping.
1.
Yeah, I'm wrapping the bond and getting back on.
It's sacred on bottom.
Keep fighting.
40
Fighting on the
seconds.
point.
Maybe I do shambles.
Keep fighting. Keep fighting.
Look at this healer right here on the top of point.
Yeah. Valentina star.
Yep.
Push them all.
All the
30
way at
seconds.
bonfire right now. Push to the point.
Third, right side.
Sacred's on to ready.
Yep, right here. My
Beastly,
face.
beastly,
Hey, listen,
beast,
if you
right
guys want
side.
to fight for the
Stream,
point,
stream.
AB, Beastly.
Beastly, he does. I beat him.
Clapping.
If you
I
do
got a
want to
spear
play,
on
get
me.
your fucking fat ass
Using
on the
PE on
point.
myself. I got a spear still on me.
Beat us.
Moving to the right side of bond. Sacred on Papa.
They're dirty around the point.
2,
Mid right now. Mid right.
Alright, I missed that one.
Now, Zerg top right. Zerg top right. Zerg top right. Zerg top right. Actually,
Wrapping out.
There's right. My bad.
Sacred top right.
Fuck did I get put into that?
Oh my god, you got deleted.
Holy fuck.
Top right off. I'm duck
PE
hammer.
on shambles.
Hey, yeah, I'm just.
There's a
20
lot of people there.
seconds.
All I see is a sea of red.
Yeah. That's because like our whole thing, or like a whole
Eat
squad
tight
died in
pocket.
that.
Alright,
Oh, I'm just staggered.
Sacred side right.
Jesus, I'm trying to get a grab for you.
Respawns in 10.
Clapping.
5, 4,
Papa.
Range at a point is low.
2, 1. Respawn now.
Yeah, I'm talking right off point.
40
Yeah, I
seconds.
guess I'll try to push on him, though we have like no one
I'm
here.
getting a little bit too much pressure here. I'm on bond right
I'm gonna try
now.
to get a pass for you, Todd, so you can get out of that. Those guys were fucking on your ass. I'm wrapping the whole bond going back.
We're pretty staggered right now.
love this.
I'm dead. You have no heals?
Yeah, we have nobody
I
here.
couldn't get out of that. There was just too many there. I'm not sure if I should be playing right there or not. I don't know. I got an 18-second respawn.
Everybody push off. What's the point? Push the point, push off.
I wasn't exactly sure where I should be standing.
Get a kill on somebody on Oppo. Go get a kill on somebody on Oppo.
Alright, go on
Kill
top
squad
bond,
can't
I'm
win a
pushing
fight,
over.
then somebody go get a kill on Oppo.
Yeah, top,
Looking
push
at
the
you,
top.
Ahsoka.
I'm pushing into the
One,
road into
respawn.
Oppo.
Ahsoka, right there.
Yeah, I'm on him. I'm on him.
40
I'm on him with you.
seconds.
I think they use a few things.
Yeah.
Everybody go Oppo. Everybody go Oppo.
Alright, so pushing into Oppo.
Abandon your fight, go
Homie healer.
Oppo. 7, abandon your fight, go
30
Oppo.
I'm 100
Never
meters
mind.
out.
Yeah,
Seven's
Iggy,
absolutely
yeah.
getting shit on.
Nice.
Never mind.
Entomb.
Everybody push Oppo. Everybody push Oppo, get a kill.
I
Everybody push
can't
Oppo.
see fucking.
20
That's
seconds.
fine. I don't care if you die Oppo. You're gonna die on
they're just,
Oppo, you're gonna die.
like, I'm hitting something,
Hey,
but
hey,
it's
hey.
not even
Alright,
there.
bring it back towards the point
Taking
now. Bring
all
it back
road
towards
to
the
get
point
to you
now. Bring it
guys.
back towards the point now.
I'm clapping. I don't know where you are.
10
I'm on left
seconds.
side.
I'm trying to hit you ready.
I'm on
PE. I don't know if you're close enough. I can't. I don't know where you are.
Spread.
Half off backs. Just
Five,
cast thing up there.
Spread.
3,
They're
2,
gonna.
I thought we were going
Beta
Oppo.
crash by yourself. Dusty, beta crash by yourself.
40 seconds.
PE tight pocket.
Beastly McBeast on right side.
I'm
Wait for the resend. Wait for the resend.
Docking this.
30 seconds.
Shot and AB'd.
Sacred top right.
Stop getting dogs. Hey, we're gonna go bottom right 5, bottom right 4,
Eat
bottom
tight
right
pocket.
3, mid right 2, send everything mid right, top 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 right.
Eat shambles.
Oh my god, here. Sorry, I was just trying to get out of that.
Spread left, spread left.
I didn't have a cleanse for that. I was just trying to get out.
Get a kill. Spread left and
Alright,
get a kill.
spread left. I'm in
There's a
top
big
corner
guy
right
on the
now.
left
Spread
side
left
of
and
it.
get a kill.
Yep, I'm
Bot left,
moving.
look at bot left. Get a kill, bot left. Get a kill, bot left. Look at who this fucking guy. Look at who this fucking guy.
Secret
Bot
top
left.
mid.
Hit on point.
I'm moving towards our road.
Respawn.
Spread out. Don't give him anything to crash. Don't give
So I
him
got
anything
hammer
to crash.
scoop fucking hitting me.
Spread your quad. Spread your quad. Spread your quad. Spread your
Eat tight pocket.
Going right side.
Oh my god, that was ours and then it turned red. Damn it.
Healer step right side. Yep, reset left side.
Got a
3.
secret on
Reset
flag.
bot left 2.
Clapping.
Bot mid now. Bot mid, bot right. Bot mid, bot right. Bot mid,
Eat
bot
tight
right.
pocket.
Bot right, bot right, bot right.
Eat tight pocket.
30 seconds.
Eat tight pocket.
Guard, AB, guard, AB.
Back to top. Get all that space back top left. Get all
Take
this
a bot
space
left
back
on
top
tight
left. Get
pocket.
all the space back
I'm
top
back on.
left.
I'm chalking top right.
Back top. All the
I'm
space
trying
back
to get
top.
that.
Clapping. Eat tight pocket.
No.
Nope,
Third top. They don't
didn't
have
go
a crash.
through.
Third top. They don't have a crash.
Good point, Jake.
Secret on the ready.
Healers, try to step where you can.
10 seconds.
Cleansing. I need
Hey,
like
healers,
something. I
play
need
their road.
something.
Healers, go play their road.
4, 3,
Hey, come top, come top, come top, come top. Everybody come top real quick.
50 seconds.
Everybody come top real quick.
Secret top mid.
40
Sacred
seconds.
up top, Army. Sacred
Clapping.
up top. Let's go. Hey, we're gonna send bot mid in 5, bot left in 4, bot left 3, bot left 2. Everything bot left, everything bot left, everything bot left. Ice, bot left, bot left, bot left, bot
Secret
left, bot
spot
left.
right. I got a back left point.
Spread now,
Clapping.
spread now. You have to spread, you have to spread, you have to spread, you have to spread, you have to spread.
Watch out, they're crashing, they're crashing.
Yeah, I'm out.
Oh, never mind. Point thing dead. Reset. Everybody reset.
Get away from me. I'm dead.
Flower resetting.
10 seconds.
I mean,
Everybody reset. Just die.
Their
Just die.
crashes are just
die.
crazy.
Just die.
5, 4,
Compared to ours.
3, 2,
Yep.
1.
And
Respawn
2.
now.
Alright, I'm out.
50 seconds.
Everybody reset. Everybody reset.
Okay.
Reset so we can get a good push. All right. Hey, everybody
40
push Oppo.
seconds.
Everybody push Oppo again.
All right, we'll
Oppo,
push.
kill
We'll
Oppo.
push top bond into Oppo. Just go to the road and we'll push into Oppo.
Watch out for that keg right there.
Push Oppo, clear Oppo. Let's go. Push
That's
Oppo,
fine,
clear
yeah.
Oppo.
So we're gonna go straight through their road?
Rampart. Yeah.
It
Push
doesn't
through the
matter how you
road
get
into
there. I
Oppo.
don't want it to look
Okay.
organized. Make it look
Plan.
chaotic.
Go ahead and
Make chaos.
shit.
Make chaos
What
happen.
the
Make
fuck
chaos
is all
happen.
that?
Push through.
Eat tight pocket.
20 seconds.
I don't
Eat
care
tight
who it is.
pocket.
Go find somebody in Oppo to kill. Go find somebody in Oppo to kill. Healers, step on the point while everybody.
I didn't know where you were,
Healers,
Shambles. I'm
step
sorry.
point,
No, it's
everybody
fine.
else
I
go
was in
Oppo.
Oppo. There's like no one here.
10
Healer step
seconds.
point, everybody else go Oppo. Make it chaotic. Make it unorganized. Just find a name. Just find a
He's
name.
on tight pocket. I mean, take it on tight pocket.
Healer step and see while everybody's playing Oppo.
This
Healer step C while
motherfucker's-
everybody's playing
50
Oppo.
seconds.
Oh man.
Everybody else play Oppo. Everybody play Oppo. Everybody play Oppo. Get off the point. Play Oppo.
45 second.
Get a kill. Get a kill. Get mid left. Get
40
left on left.
seconds.
All right, coming back.
Carlo.
30 seconds.
All right, now start bringing it back towards point. Start bringing it back towards point.
All
Bring it
right,
back
end
towards
point.
Sacred top on Shambles.
Hey, I'm in top right now.
Clapping.
Maybe who this fucking guy?
Hey, now bring it to point. Bring it to point. Step on the point.
10
I'm on
seconds.
Vetus right side.
Step on the point. Listen, we're sending bot mid in 5.
I'm getting
bot left in
hammered
4,
by the
bot left
point.
in
I gotta
bot
move
left
off
in
point.
4. Send everything mid
Clapping
left
for
now, mid left
Shambles.
now, mid left, mid left, mid left,
Because I
mid
don't
left,
know where
mid
he
left,
is.
I'm gonna be late to this crash. I might die for this, but I'm gonna try to get
Top.
something
Gotta
in.
learn
Top
to
mid
pass
is
around
sacred.
him and back in. You guys are letting them escape the Oppo.
Point, step up.
Spread out.
Eat already?
Spread out. Spread out.
No,
Spread
he's
out.
before. Do you do ready again? Try one more time. Do you do ready?
Spread.
Thank you.
Pinky.
E Shambles.
Hey, yeah.
E Shambles.
God, the
I'm about to get way off too.
E do ready?
Spread out. Spread out. Spread out. Spread the top.
Alright,
Spread the
coming
top.
back.
I'm getting
Spread
jumped here. I gotta move off.
Why are you guys not calling this a point comp and dogging him
Walk
down?
away
Call
from
his
me.
name out.
We got him.
Oh my god, I'm moving to the pocket.
If I have to call targets
Clapping.
in fucking main comms, I will.
talking top
Get
right.
forward, top right.
Yeah, I moved over to it. I was in a bad spot.
Top right. Butter on point, top right. Butter on point, top right. That's the thing.
That's your grab.
Yeah.
Clapping. Oh my god, there's so many people on me.
Alright, hey, that's the war of people.
Jesus. They were all over in the healer pocket. I guess I didn't rotate out fast enough. I got a 50-second respawn.
Oh, you just missed it.
Yeah. Oh man, that's fucking terrible.
Holy fuck.
It's like if I'm standing on the far side of point, it's like I can't hit you. It keeps canceling my heals. And then when I move around that I can heal you guys, then I get fucking jumped by like 4 people.
Yeah, I won't beat this with you. Fucking bot point. Dutch hammer, A-bead. Might play life a little.
10 seconds.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I love the floating nameplates.
Yeah, that's fun. It's a nice feature of the game.
Fucking great.
Respawning.
It looks like they're crashing.
Hey, re-hit right side
100
3,
meters
re-hit
out.
right side 2, everything mid-right, bot right, mid-right,
Oh my
bot right,
God,
mid-right,
dude.
bot right, mid-right, bot right. Whatever you have, mid-right, bot right, whatever you have, mid-right, bot right, whatever you have. Dump your load, mid-right, bot right.
That's absolutely terrible.
Eat side pocket. Sacred on you. This guy's got no nameplate. I'm just getting hit by fucking some guy. Fuck. Eat tide pocket.
Yeah, I'm trying to get the fuck out of this.
I screamed that guy on you.
Oh, I'm fucking screwed here. Yeah, I'm totally fucked. Oh my god. I'm dead again. 5-second respawn. It seems like comms have gone real silent here. I don't know if I'm muted.
No, they just have you.
Hey, Army's too staggered now, so just fucking play. All right.
The war is just done.
Army's way too staggered. Reset's not gonna fix this. This is GG's. Alright. Also, you guys better get real comfortable fighting for fucking Restless Shore at this rate if you guys don't want to watch VODs and fucking get better. No. No, I enjoy playing New World. I love playing New World, but I don't like playing with people that don't want to like put the time into it to like be better.
Got a sacred on your pocket.
Alright, cool.
Sacred on your shambles.
Oh yeah, I was a little bit pushed off. Yeah.
Take your spot left. You want to move on to the point.
Yeah.
Hit Skylar, hit Skylar. Low, low, low.
Skylar's slowed over there.
Why are we everybody's fighting off a point? Like, just fight on the road.
Yeah.
I don't get it.
Everyone's kind
I mean, if we're gonna die, might as well die on the point, right?
Well, it's just like PR at this point. We're just not even getting calls anymore or anything. So.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean we can't try, right?
Yeah, I mean, I was sitting above top point right there, but I mean, there's no one there.
That hurt.
I got pushed back to the hill. I'm rotating towards you guys.
I'm on the rest of the war cooldown right now. 30 seconds.
I got a hammer on me. Coming towards the ready.
Yep.
He's screamed, he's screamed. Oh, damn. Kill Chase Swano.
Yeah. Oh shit.
It did go better than the last one against him, whatever that's worth.
3 and 11. Jesus.
I mean,
It's
I
like
died a
last
lot
war
this time.
against them, we didn't get point tick up to like 50.
Holy.
I don't know. I want to do Tyros. I think that would be pretty good at this point.
I died 7 fucking times this time. I know I had some bad positioning there, but yeah, I don't know. I mean, I was running half of the time running a shit build to begin with. I had a fucking scorpion sting on for whatever reason. I guess I never changed it.
Alright, GG's.
GG, we go again.
Yep. Later.
Later, guys.
User disconnected from your channel. User disconnected.